Hello viewers, today I have this JBL Tune Beam. In this battery backup is very less and this side it is not working completely. So you can see this side it is working, and when I take this out and put it back, it is not working, completely dead. So in this video I am going to show you how to replace the batteries of these earbuds. This is JBL Tune Beam. So alright, without wasting any time, let me take this earbud and make it work after replacing the battery. So alright, in this earbud we have to give some heat so that we can take this apart. There will be no damage whatsoever while taking this apart. That is the beauty of this channel AudioViz360. Alright, let me give some heat and take this apart. So alright, I have given some heat over here, and the glue might be melted. So you can see I have taken this apart. There is a flex cable here which is going just behind this, and it goes up to here. So you may end up damaging the flex cable. Let me show you close up. Let me show you in close up. So let me show you in close up here. You can see this is the flex cable. These two wires goes to the speaker here, and the two wires of the battery goes to the other terminal. You should not give more heat while taking out the battery wire here using the soldering. So if you give more heat, then this flex cable might melt here. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this type of earbuds, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. I can fix it and I can ship it back to your address. You can ship it from any part of India to my address, Bangalore. I will replace the batteries and I can ship it back to your address. Even if your charging case is completely dead, in that case also I can able to fix the charging case in case if the motherboard is not damaged. Now I am going to use soldering here to take the white wire and the black wire of the battery so that I can take this apart, and this flex cable is pasted to the battery, so we have to take this apart very carefully. Let me use the soldering machine to take these two wires of the battery. So you can see I'm just going to do like this. It will come out. You should not use too much of heat here. So like this. So battery terminal has been removed. Now it's time to take out the flex cable from the battery. You should be very careful while prying this, otherwise you may end up damaging the flex cable here. You can see it is glued hard here. So alright, flex cable has come out. Now it's time to take out the battery here. So this is the battery which I have taken out. So I'm going to use the similar capacity battery here. So you can see this is the battery. So both are lithium ion polymer batteries. So the battery which I am using here is very high quality battery. So alright, let me install the battery to the respective terminal. You should not interchange the terminal. Red is the plus one, black is the minus. It should go to the respective terminal. Plus should go to the plus terminal and the black should go to the negative terminal in this. So alright, let me install this and I will come here. So now you can see I have installed the positive and negative terminals of the battery to the flex cable. So make sure you are not going to reverse the polarity, otherwise you may end up damaging the motherboard. So alright, now simply I have to glue and close it. So before that, let me paste this flex cable. Just glue this flex cable back to the battery. So alright, now I have to position it properly, then I can glue it and close it. In this case I am going to use T7000 glue here. So this is the glue I am going to use, T7000. So I will apply it and I can close it, and then I will show you the working functionality of this earbud. So alright, you can see how the work is very clean and neat here. So actually I tried it. Even after the battery replacement, this side is not working. So if I close the lid and if I open, the light should start blinking here, but it is not blinking. In this case, the motherboard of this side earbud is bad, because of that it is not working, but it is very rare. Generally after battery replacement the earbud starts working. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.